Mwancho murigereria bw'Ensoko TV nigora secingaki ase emesa yamaiya kurwa Ensoko chinsa isato ase Jumatani ga obutko bwa 10 mutinyo gatano ari mu mwaka bw'ekirubere 25 ne masiri baga ribarongo ya Frida Kirbo ina ikirega iganche Clinton ndigi nkone kengo ngosangatore ari aene kiyo kurwa ase chinsemo au ase ritukeriga ase ribaga timu ingi megonkonya kurwa ase studio ya kabere mwancho murigereria togo sabo karanso ekobena into kurbono goika omwerio naboigo ngukunyuranga ensemo ye enkwana ya bene obotuko bwarero ntuchikonyana koba togo komanya singenjo ntwasanga no muheshimiwa Gloria Uruoba uyo kabero moseneto mochore wikiama kya UDA naboigo neganga yokoria ekiro kyobwakilisho basubati kurwa ase county ya Kisii naboigo werure kwene kya nkobare gati yetimu ri gusira heganga yomoske Fred Matiang'i yokoria kira ekiro kyobora bwensa ase ekiama ya Jubilee nanyara koba kago sangana intwe na gutumanya amange hari agendere kwene kiwa agesiasa kurwa sensi ya Kenya no rugongo rwa Gusii naboigo esabari yaye yokoria ekiro kyobwakilisho basubati gotomocha asensemo ya kabere tochikona kwa bato gutwara enkwane yo ya bene obotuko bwara kurenda seboniga ayigane gatia tukwariga ndito obotuko bwara
kwa inatakikana Gachagua apate haki yake ya kikatiba. Na mimi sasa ukisema hivyo na mimi naona ni kama Gachagua aliondolewa kimakosa.
Abananchi imeomo cho Nairobi niko bagendrete kuri birengere byabo igoro yena cheke gambero ke igoro yo kurusibwa bisi kwa Gachagua
twagike irieke ekebeke yesukuru kuya no murereke rugasambire nse ya gusikare kwenda twabeko munyama twabeka no motori yokorokwo munyabeli akali
eturetia bagaka ya monyagetinge yasabire egwiri baga gosimeka emete eyera tange meroro ase chiskuru.
We have gathered here at Kisii University for our third international multidisciplinary conference.
Naboigo University ya Kisii yarigandire gikaro kyobotuki herikorigie chinchera cyo gokonya haya chandete mwanya bantu. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigario botuko bwarero wana togochaka no robotiro kubwatia ya mate he mokurwa chinsemo cha maindera igotoka he nsemo ya Ugembo he wodi abo chitendere bunge abo machoge chache county ya Kisii niko bare no bwaba maiga yokonyoro musaraba bu mwanchu abo oyubaye netiri tukorigoro korusirie hase oboina musaraba uyo ni gotoka ase para ya Ugembo highway haso musasiro tibwe parish ya Ugembo Geoffrey Onsare anyara ko bakago ikirana na gokora emisa enchenu na kurusio musaraba uyo abona koyoira gwikase kanisa ya Ugembo nako yobeka kanisa ime Onsare ni gobono harure matuko emerongo ene gochiase bari baikiranetie hega kore kyo kwane kyangwe soke bare na gosaba amabera na gotumanyo morikito Apollonaris akama
ritukeri mwario kamaiga ya mate mokwenia umwanchu base chinsemo cha Ugembo Mandera nigiamate yaboka na kwerara rebikono byo musaraba bu mwanchu obo uyobege twasobo inobwo toyo chingake musaraba uyo toka gotukutirwe pare Kenya Ugembo highway
yarenga saa 12:40 ga anyarango akiresi na musaraba utatomino uitwene tigoro otokire pare nsemo iga namyoka na ikororo nanyara neke musaraba na koreteki ore gabo kuabo na kero mukate kistesimi ero ichaso bwango bagenda sifata bacha na fata twakore misa twakora musaraba kwa wake parish
twarangiri fata musabire akobira umubere okobira musaraba utuko tige kanisa twajire nkawa no kuichana twika tusanzia tuichane
itukuri goro twanya tukoya ni umukristo ito Richard Oyaro mokwa nabono mambikira na kodre misa na nyoro mukristo go ntebinga father musaraba bu Oyaro so bige twase embera twabo kamambi tonya toyo
umusaraba uyo rusuwa chinseme chamono musasiroti bwe parish Ugembo Geoffrey Onsare nigene kyabunekerenga gyo korusyo musaraba uyo nkiramanyekana
nate makora bolinga kungusana konde nkwarenko kyagara tatebe ngonya nase akoeni gonyo kungusana koro especially kera chinyomba chire ibere gose isato wanya nyomba getenete getomo gako yuani wase nyomba yabo ebyonsi mbi yororo
musaraba tolenge muntu bwate bitina na muntu musaraba osabiri tu ali wakabeka rolende
lakini sofa ekitoko rangelinga ogochaya se dini yeito na boigo kubo kinanda magombe
nonya nabakorengana no musasiroti Onsare kitari gakore gitangani gokorekana chinseme icho.
Ngise gukwanira bike nyangagwa njatuka bwango iga muringa murugoro gaiga na inde nyangagwa ye konyora ngi itire gatobe kwa mache mekagunde gaika kabisa yama kore tu yatugutu nabone yabigetu kesiri kyo mukori biasara to amaite kirenga abo igemetie nyange na yetire se skuru eto yanyamyobo twaigwa nk'abantu ngocha bari butuko bakorere mekutano twaenda tugasaba abana babiri bagutarigwa aiga se kinyorekega umuntu omonene natarigwa nacha obisi kamusabira antebi abantu bonse bamutareti marieta abo nimbwate
bono nigo nsara baire bari bakorete gekorekio amatuke 40 eriwe sokia na gusaba mabera
kurbono mpaka amatuko 40 na baire baitie bachicha sende bante bubisi na nintu twakoreta mangana aya tonyare tukubasonsora lakini anyambali kwera after 40 days nalibono ngo chikoyobeka buya bene asembera oirane kyara mbago togosereri so kwigena goita a period ya 40 days ne ye period yo kwangama na gusaba mabero kurwasi nyasaye
ko ripota rigeta Senigia Nsoko TV kurwasi chinsemo cy'ugembo ekikigo toke bunge ya bumachoke cyachi county ya Kisii nchereta na Apollinaris akama
Toskabusio asoroboti rokobwate umwanchu morigaria hetureti yabagaka nabangina korogusi nsieri aburi ya mwanyagetinge bakorogwa no murayobo George Nyakundi niko bono baro rokobole gochia se serikali kone kyanko baere chinguru eri basimeke emete yerache gotanga obusambo bw'echi skuru aiga Kenya anigo hagocha maiga yebikore byo gosambo bw'echi skuru komentekana hegati ose komentekana hagati emete abagaka bagoteba barache gosimeka no munyamo omukubo amo negati yende emenge bagukwana tikori rero hase egeikaro kyabarai naboigo abagaka bagusi nigekere kibakwanire omugusi kone kyabuna nkorendare chisiro chiaya unagotumanya Morikito Steven Nyariki
Ekereme tuyonse aiga Kenya yabikirwa mohiri gosonsora umuchando bugosamba giskuru aiga Kenya nigo ekiombe kyabagaka naboigo abangina abagusi koro mwanyagetingerite chikanso yasabire serikali ngebe chinguru eriyo bene kingango kyara nibare umurero wase giskuru asoko bekemete gusi gati emeteri babegete mutu namo nawo mutokoro kumonyama umonyabari yakari omukubo gati emete yende munentire yamoyogo sonsora
igo tugusaba na mwanyagitingerite chikanso chiskuru chonse pichi asambire gusi etotaite report ingogoreta maguta gosenechire record bachiete bakangaina omwana onde akaenda gasamba amaera mubwatire chitanguche chiasoire tomanye ingai yanzerete
uri bawo chikubuya nabo bagotanga abantu mbale behind magaga yabo bakorete mitandiria twagikeirie ekebeke geisukuru kuya no murereke rugasambire nse ya gusikare kwenda twari twabeka munyama twabeka no motori yokorokwo munyabari akari twabeka no mukubo bono tima yese no roto gojikorete tosimeke gosemerere inesire nse iyo
nteninde ase amaryogo yekegusi omwako mtoto ebiranga mete kitogo gosimeka genda toriye me mwani tosimeke chimbago goeta emme mwani omonto omaeto motokoro ku omoe mwani mwagende moyo simeke isiko goeta nekero mo bisagocha nera nabakomanya ngaga ati ngorwana sege kiagera abasigari imbaro nabasigari imbayo nemeteriye ke gusitu atugutete twaye sirilipi
naenda abana gabaringe goeta bagenda alliance kere sukuru okoiwe primary gireta alliance eyende gireta alliance rera abana bakurete nsa barigeretie sukuru ere gesona kiaba ngana atagete asome agende gesona kiabo muinaiga orajora aria marabwani areri kama bese nendo irano chigoso muinanya ara masomo muroje
egento gia kabere economic empowerment intu no mugusie egento gia tunyarire na marwaire okonywa eriogo ria pressure riareta cancer kwanyuria cancer riarete aburure bwesukari emete nero yeke gusi
agukwanekere kyo moyega bukwenekia omo asokoreta abanyagetumbe bonsi korwa asensemo ya Gusii bakoragwa n'umunyagetumbe umunyagitingete chikanso George Nyakundi nigekere kyoberere ngabukare nigo egesuro wasaboroki waki arekobekwa asaboroki batari kwenda chiskuru asekorende bono yaberere wetani getango asiskuru ao ime county ya Nyamira nabo ge county ya Kisii chabeire chigosambwa naboroki wabwabo
angabuna bono omo emegome ya abana bakorenta ase chiskuru mbali korenta intwe karo twasomete into itiri ngaigoro yogokora bube ase sukuru go twari goitwe sengenjo amasoma atusinyire tari ase ngenjo yogotegwera abarimu gose korwania abana bande se sukuru
nigekerekie kiombekio kia mochirie abarahi bari bagotumeka obokibago iri kwerigeria chikura nagotebanere buya omugusii gotwara omorembe muna yarenga bukare
Kenya ngima na andonsi gokorio oburayi bwao kumanyete ngana obache kwabeka onyore tonyora n'oburayi okorigia origeria okomosi tobasa koreta abantu bache goitera amanyinga na goitera amanyinga netanguche
twagikeiri abagambi baitu bari bagocha baburukania amatanga bagocha n'amachuma bagocha ne jiguni serieta liekenyandwaro amatanga y'omugusii bantu mbare koreta fucho gose gocha kurwano
igekerekio Mugusi asabirwe ng'anere buyachi chamo nabo yokwene kingango bwati bareti imbaratero chirichi kweneka asoko igeka oburayi bori bwanjeire nabagaka bagusii
togosaba omugusii ntotagitobomo naende ntobwati bobisi na mwanyagetingeri tech council igot na into tobwate area ito mwana obande mamira makendu omumuro ito tobwate Fred Okengo Matiangi nero togo support buno mugusibwen
sange obongaini bwito twabere togo gotachiranse ase igo togo na gosaba abantu baminto ng'obongaini mbogere abantu toro totane na gokora yara maya
Stephen Nyarikemone Ensoko TV Nyamira
Toska bosia sorbo tinondo mwanchu mworigereria abaibori nabo igo ababwatani ao nigo babori go kwandra bana babo hanne chinga kechige bikore byo gosamba gwichi skuru bigandata kone kwimense kono kubori kwa runo mwaziri gwichi semi Julius Ogamba asate bire wike kalenda masomo yetamwe ya kabere ibwatiwe asibara icheko ganda omutimoko omoke chitariki 24 gwika chitariki 25 na isato chumu tinyoiga migosini go boigo hakwanire buna serikali nigo egochiago bosini egochiago tagarra kugayana emechando iria barokwa bagwetera bachigwikaransa na barabwe herigo keania mbasokano heya berge kwene kwa samotka bwango.
It is our shared responsibility as education sector players, ranging from the government, the parents, the guardians, our leaders and community leaders, policy makers, school heads and teachers, to ensure that our education system serves the best interests of our children. It is our duty, and I dare say a sacrosanct one, to nurture our children in the values and virtues that grow them into law-abiding and responsible citizens that will continue to contribute positively to the development of our country and not to destruction. Following due consultations within the government and other stakeholders, we wish therefore to announce the following measures going forward. To establish and address underlying causes of this perennial challenge of student unrest, we shall be forming a multi-stakeholder team to review the causes of unrest and make recommendations on strategies for stemming this challenge. The midterm break for the second term of the 2026 school year will take place as scheduled from the 24th of June 2026 to the 28th of June 2026. Parents and guardians are urged to use the break to spend time with their children and provide guidance and support for them. Any grievances or concerns should be articulated appropriately and shared with schools and other relevant authorities for action. Schools shall urgently convene consultative parents' associations meetings to review the state of affairs and learners' welfare in their respective schools. The schools shall strengthen safety measures and address any concerns and grievances that learners may have raised before the end of the half term. The schools shall also intensify guidance and counseling programs and strengthen learners' grievances handling mechanisms.
Tutegereza singani chisemi mwancho murigeria kero bututukano bugasaine korokana sekretari chisemi oyo kurige kero kibo jumbe nsemo ibunge West Mugirange County Nyamira Rogers Muturi niko bono haruro kobole gocha saba bari baire chingaki heriyo kwegeria abana babo chimbo chingia kagukwana nabararia wasorero niko bono agikeire getambo kero kia abana abakoira igetambo kero cyo gotongia chiskuru na bona satebire niko hemerobirio hebwente konekiwa ego kubwente konekiwa iriko gusira egesaku kiankyo nigo bono harure egekuro hegetindi gochase abatendri abakwane kyo bagachiwo chiskuru aseke yagoteba nigo chiskuru chinyinge chibwate amagacho amabe egento bono boigo gekoira abana abo konyar bosegento gekoira abana abo tibaegwa oburai hase amatukari bosoka gukwana hase siasa cha West Mugirango nigo bona atebire abana inchi abo barache komwa okoboko kwenekia nachikoiro burayo
na baibuli toteki chukum yukorera abana baitu bya yokubakwanira no yokubagaidi boronge toisaranse na abana baitu tukwane na barabu tubatebye inake bintu bibwanete koba amangana yobo kabara badi wasoaji group chimbe na ande skuru igera sama tukamake igugwetira gaiga matukomake matukani ngutu joini ole matukomake ngutu joini ole sko gaiga na kere gionsi ndatotebia abana bonsi piba Kenya bakogenda chiskuru echito ni experience kekuba prepare for future big roles as a Kenya yeito na sensengima. If it does not kill you, if the school does not kill you, it's going to make you very strong. Your experience mokogenda na kerokyo is not the end of the world. Enjoy that experience. Maambia nkobole muntu oiranesko gaigo ochagokorera Kenya yinegas. Igo mutige gusamba chiskuru cheito. Abana baitu mutige gusamba chiskuru cheito. Bali baire echikumu yogotenera mangana chiskuru cheito asobwagachi. Tumia chibese chibia. Onye to tumia chibese chibia. Aba na inchi nkoba busamule mwensi pe mogendeka. Na ende message yetianye to miko West Mugirango chiskuru cheito igochire insemono ngero gokinkoboria ngero gonkoboria ngeli na boli last time ngabana ambaye yamura kini ngaba short changed na kina ende nkoirorera this time we are determined go change ebintu bya West Mugirango.
Toska bose mwanjo murigera togetase chisemi University ya Kisii nigo yachagetie hegikaro kya gatatu igoro yamangana yobotuki ritukuri igoro hase gikari kyo kirachie koenekiwa gosanga na babwatani akuru University au hensengima heri gosanga igoro yichinchira cyo kubwaterana gukora obotuki burache gokonya gukora hemechando au hiyo gochanda mwanya bantu ka ukwana nabari kyamangana umukonyi wo chancellor wa University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo bono harire eira yo gochakogandra gukora ebikaro nebiga amatuko alebosio erigo konya hase amangana amange morikito petwel machini na mange
Bunencheremo yokwenekyo kubwaterana na bwatani ensengima erigo korobot kibogo kore mechando
informed as far as AI is concerned.
Nige University ya Kisii gekorano mukonyi bumo chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi yachakire gikaro kya matukata tumye university yo eri kugaya na mangana
We have gathered here at Kisii University for our third international multidisciplinary conference, which is starting today. The main highlights are today, but we started yesterday with the graduate students presenting what they have done, but all is in relation to inclusivity and borderlessness in getting solutions to global problems with a focus on health. On health doesn't mean that we are talking about medicine. It means that we are dealing with all disciplines that will contribute to the health of the globe.
Okwana chinga kicho nigo Professor Gechi akwanire igoro yeribaga ria artificial intelligence nabo igomoro birimo yabwe chiseme competence based education asogo ikrania aria gendrete kwenekiwa.
But what is coming out very importantly from the beginning is the role that this institution and others are going to play, especially in the world of artificial intelligence and in the world of competence-based education in this country and beyond. What is it that we are going to do to ensure that everything goes on? And in particular with the technological developments, we are talking about a situation where we are not just teaching people for knowledge, to gain knowledge for knowledge's sake, but for purposes of getting competence, for purposes of performing when they get out, and for purposes of being adaptable to whichever developments that are coming in.
Nigo boigo Professor Gechi aganire kubwatirana na obwatani Kurasi University mense ya Kenya edego kora emechande tungeti obotuki.
What goes on is, if universities are talking about problems with research, it means when we are remaining selfish. If we work collaboratively and in a partnering manner, it is possible to get our partners within the country, across universities, and even outside. That does not mean that there are no challenges, particularly when you are dealing with the equipment for research, especially in the natural sciences, where you need labs, where you need serious reagents. If you don't have good labs, it is possible to do research and come up with findings that are not doing well. So the main thing for us is, as universities, we invest in good labs. The good labs cannot just be each individual university doing it alone, but we can also do it collaboratively.
Ase atugirege tambukiro gya serikali asogo chakia sekta yobotuki asa masomo Image University.
But very crucial also is that the government has gone ahead and created a state department for research. Remember, it used to be University Education and Research. When you have a state department for research, that is also ensuring that it's working across, so that it's not just universities. There are research institutions like Cambridge, there are research institutions that deal with economics. When we have a state department like that and all universities work together, the collaboration and the partnership that we are talking about will be coming in place and we'll be able to make progress as we move on.
Nigobono kubwatikana no mochando boborire wa Ebara Professor Gechi aboria kubwatirana edio gokorobo tukiba madio gogokonya gokoro mochando iga.
As we evolve, more diseases are coming up. I know we are talking about Ebola. What we are dealing with right now is another variant. And as the variants come up, our researchers are involved. We want to tell you this. It's not just universities that deal with the research that will get solutions for some of these diseases. It is also working with other research institutions. For example, I've mentioned the Kenya Medical Research Institute, which focuses on research in the health sciences area. If we work together and with our collaborators who have better equipment, we should be able to get there. So there is a response, but as we said, some of these things keep on evolving. In the past, we said there would be some treatment here and therefore there are the variants on Ebola. But right now, the new one is that they are working on it.
Kurpocheria Ensoko TV Kurasi University ya Kisii, Chempethuel, Machin.
Tukusikabosio mwancho mworigereria abamenyi banyaigwa imeye ward ya township county Nyamira niko bono bae murunganirie igoro yepara iyo yakogenda hekanisa ya Central uika hejigo soka hase ensemo ya jua kali igoro yo moro muyoga ntrete kobe kwa se pare iyo hasekeria abamenyi abo bagotebanigo epare iyo yabikirwe omoro omobe ningana boigo yairwe okoboko no MC we ward ya township Mheshimiwa Duke Oyagi Masira oyo wateba chibesa cyabegetwe cyokoroisia epare iyo nchira ikirana bose nchira tumeka buya
tiga bakoreiga tiga barengereza ko cyo botabu obo bare tamagina buya agugweri kamutipara
abono twagechigwo moro mubekirwa twajurigerire ono anamara babe kwaria tubwenerete komera kinyomba amoro muyo tari moro mwabeka bono tigamara bayara nigwe edrine chierigereri guchinsemo chonsi omoro mutoreteru obwekaino yorensa ujukonye tugutaja twa sufiri nora sama tukamange tokorameka tumenya kore twa matobe omuntu yo bwa contract yo bwate tore korosia muamwanjeranire andeka atobe karomara
epare yatogechire pare yente getangani omoro mubekire gego utaimoro ukono gotongaina gototiza gototuba maiso lakini abana inchi bakanire batabiranga pa omoro muyo bekirwe gego utaimoro mwana mara batuteto omoro muyo begetuge go mutangani omoro mubwata magena none rorikere gotozete gotoriega no mutoro ime omonto ire pare okorosie pare tiga ndaira ne kerasi ime amanya na kichi pare chibwente korosiku na moro mukyo bwente gotumeka
wane tirimbo gete gwaito lakini ana mara babekirwa omogoko korwe skuru no gotirimboka bona ana mara batwa bekeru na ndawe takwenda roche embura de gocha gotugotana matobe
na banyayi gubunaitu twakani na mara baya e contract yewa tigeira mara baya atoto mara mwamuya
oyo no mwishimo diuko yage masira pare nere gokonya na goconnect abantu ba minto bonsia
no maana mwishimo
abantu ba minto bonsia ba abanyene nyayigwa batomenyete nyayigwa twensi pare ne tugutumia gochi central SDR goro twamboke togende ntwabwate pare twari goikera fete na lingumbu bona eline pare re mire gosine pare yabekero bakomo akinko bona naki eline pare korira ninkirende twa inkitotare gotigera amoro moyo rengo ikatokoreta maraba tumana gotuba amoro moyo na beire to na chandekire kinganyite chitrakta chitana gocha chibesa tu abekirende tu aire contractor inkiata gotokorira gasingiya eline para ogwancha ekorwe nonyene karo bari gotaka kubeka mbali kora grade mbarosi nona sama chago bali kora beka nani ngono moro mutwari kubekeru aigane ta mutwari gotigeru rena nono moro murenga moro mutwabwate bono down thing na egento ba mentira no muntu bono na maraba ba menta umuntu atasoke kuri nyumba bono runo ni nyumba bari bagosomira kuraiga
Tukusikabasi mwancho murigeria mega yumurabe kiama ya DCP Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua kwambĩrĩria hina chike gambere kenene hiyo atebirite bwate tiri chiko niko bonega tiaba menyi kurwa se county ya Nairobi baesokire na komoko boko Gachagua aseba atebire ekegambero nigo gitaorogetie obwasio ku chinga kiare gotegerera okurusigwa kwaye abisi okwana kurwa se mwacho Nairobi abamenyi abo bono nigo basabire ekerengererio kia Gachagua koira ekina hase ekegambero kia Court of Appeal
na matuka make aitire magega y'ekigambero kigoro goetie nachi yekina gyokurusigwa bisi kwa Rigathi Gachagua uno mokonyi bumurai bwense na umurai yo bwekiama kia DCP kwamereria enachi na goteba tebwatetie richiko na boigo mamincha no kugania kwa ababwatani baye asebono atianire kugenda asekigambero kia appeal.
It is only after the determination of illegality as has already happened and setting aside of the impeachment, as should have happened, we were to consider asking for damages for constitutional violations. The 50 million Kenya shillings awarded to me is an insult to my fundamental rights and freedoms and a mockery of the Constitution. We are not interested. Money was never the issue here. Justice and constitutional supremacy was. If I was interested in money, Mr. William Ruto had offered me 2 billion Kenya shillings in an effort to entice me avoid impeachment and choose resignation. But I stood for my rights and that of over 7 million Kenyans who voted for me. I rejected this offer and faced the National Assembly.
Sasa swali ikakuja, mchakato upande wa Senate haikuendeshwa vile inavyostahili. Ilikuwa inatakikana Gachagua apate haki yake ya kikatiba. Na mimi sasa ukisema hivyo na mimi naona ni kama Gachagua aliondolewa kimakosa.
Nigo bono ensemo y'abamenyi be county ya Nairobi barure ebirengereri byabo korengana n'abamenyi abo nigo batebire $50 million ekyo kigambero keigoro gya chigete ebunge ya Senate ku mwaka na Gachagua no kumungaina eriatigane nekinekyo.
So if I could reject 2 billion offering me 50 million is a serious joke.
Unajua Gachagua amekuwa mtetezi ya amekuwa opposition leader. So long as amepata hii pesa, amepewa hii pesa, hata kuwa na ile nguvu ya kupigania ile haki ya Wakenya. Sasa hata kuwa ile opposition yako na nguvu. Aliambiwa wewe ulisashughulikiwa, ulisalipwa, wewe sasa tulia, ukue kama yani kama alipewa retirement.
Ambapo kwa maoni yangu mimi naona Mheshimiwa Ruto Aliokopa kuita tu Gachagua kando, amwambie ndugu yangu, wacha nikupee hii 50 million, uachana hii mambo. Akatumia mambo ya mahakama.
Chinga kechecho niko boigo obatebire ikigambero nigo kiaorogetie ubututukanu asekina na kubeka abakenya asenchera ya matabekani.
Sababu wewe niambia mkono mwingine mnasema mchakato iliendeshwa kwa njia mzuri, mkono mwingine mnasema Gachagua kupata haki yake. Unajua sasa wana confuse watu. Na kama hii ndio mahakama hii tunategemea hii Kenya, mimi siwezi kuwa nayo imani nayo. Wewe niambia mtu alipwe, upande mwingine mnasema kuna makosa, upande mwingine mnasema iliendeshwa vizuri. Sasa which is which? Waliacha watu wakiwa confused. Wacha Gachagua aende court of appeal apate haki yake.
How then would a 3-judge bench argued that the non-derogable right to fair trial was violation in the impeachment process? Then they turned around and tell the Kenyan people that regardless, the impeachment was valid. What a paradox.
Kuripoteria ATV ya Nsoko irita Nedina Mura.
Naso gukora mwanchu murigeria abamereri ba serikali nigo bono baesokirie kurebirengere byabo iguru muswada wichu beso mwaka bwechirubere 2025 nemo bakorogwo no moziro mukoro Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bono batuguteirare ase baenekire buna nigo serikali yabekire iguru benene ase mu Kenya gwetera ase bango nonya nabo nigo bono bagandire serikali gotegerera ebirengere byabo chingaki bakurwa ebirengere iguru y'omuswada oyo.
We are a democracy, and democracy is government by deliberation. Our colleague, the Minister for Finance now, or the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury, has been criticizing us and saying we are making proposals to the Finance Bill 2026 recklessly. And my answer to him is this: you put it forward so that we deliberate it, we give you our views. And that's why we are asking members of parliament that if some of these amendments are not done, then the bill should be rejected in total. There are details that we have not gone into here. For example, if you increase tax on income from rent from 7.5% to 10%, all that is going to be passed on to tenants. The same ones who are paying SHA, the same ones who are paying housing levy, the same ones who are paying all these taxes. How will life be afforded? So we are not basically saying things because we are bored. We are saying things because we can see and we live here. And we are saying them in patriotism. And our colleagues, our fellow citizens who are in government, need to also, with the same attitude, the same positive view, take our proposals very seriously and take them in their stride and see what can be done. And I don't think, although Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka and Rigathi Gachagua did not say this, I don't think that the United Alternative Government is opposed to a conversation. Our members of parliament who are in parliament, I'm sure will be very happy to have a conversation on how these measures can be changed and these proposals can be changed in Finance Bill 2026 so that we can have a palatable situation. He asked how I was in cabinet for 10 years and we passed finance bills. We debated all the time. We negotiated all the time. In fact, in most cases, we gave away a lot. Sometimes it's a give and take, and government should be prepared to go to parliament and sometimes listen to the members of parliament, accept to lose here and lose there, reorganize here and reorganize there and readjust so that we can go forward in a manner that is essentially bearable for all of us. Finally,
Mwanchu murigeria nara yokuru asemesa yama yakuru ensoko chinsa isato sobut kobega biamona sogo sangana intwe na nogo saba gwitunga gwesemire na kwemanya ari aenekiwe ase Jumatani gobut kobo 10 mutinyino yo gatano na limo mwaka no wechirubere 2025 ne mabuna na chika gukuriera eira murubiri okobwatia ni nkwana twanya koba togotwara no mwishimi wa Gloria Oruoba oyo kabero mo senator bwe ekiama kya UDA na boigo orineganga yokorie kergo kibwa kirisho basubati kurwase county ya Kisii nigo aisoke na gokwandra mange hayo akoro totobora iboge siasa abigo bora ibo basubati na ari agendete kwiroberia sense ya Kenya no rongora gusi usubo bachori obonene omwaka bwe chiribubere 2025 na ibere twarabotokobya yandra kubwatia umuroberi ogendete asembe nyasaye kawanja aseri bagari timu ngima yankonya kurwase studio akabere tomera na sembe. Mwancho mworigereria bwen Soko TV, karibu sana naende ase ensemeiga turachia kugendria enkwana ya bene chinga kichiga tuguturubania miroberio ya botambe kwene kya unantu chigusanga enkwana ne mase masomogeni wengenjo hoito nyarako baka wikrana se studio gusanga mangari nyarako baka kugendera kwene kwanne mona sensemo yuburai na siasa na bakiro to kwandro burai bwabarai abasubati nchenkuru kwa Clinton